Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the matrix method to solve the linear equations. We can use the matrix method to solve any linear equation and here we are going to solve the linear equations of two variables by using the matrix method. Here I have taken one example question. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to use the matrix method to solve any linear equations of two variables. First of all, let me read the question. Question is solve for x and y, and the two equations are given here. One equation is 4 over x. Let me write down the equations. 4 over x plus 3 over y equals to 11. This is one linear equation. And the next linear equation is 7 over x minus 2 over y is here equals to 12. This is the second linear equations in the variable x and y. We are going to find out the value of x and y by using the matrix inversion method. Okay, and one very important point to be noticed here in the question is the variables, both the variables x and y are present in the denominator. Okay, so let's apply the matrix methods. First of all, we have to write down the coefficient matrix, and let's suppose the coefficient matrix A, which is equals to here the coefficient of the variables, and let's assume 1 over x and 1 over y is a variable, and the coefficient of 1 over x is here 4, and here coefficient of 1 over y is 3. Here coefficient of 1 over x is 7, and the coefficient of 1 over y is here negative 2. This is coefficient matrix. And another matrix is the variable matrix. Let's suppose the capital X, and the variables are here 1 over x and 1 over y. And the next matrix for the constant matrix, and let's suppose the constant matrix is a B, which is the constant number, which is here 11 and 12. And we have a formula. Let me write down the formula. You have to memorize this formula. The value of the x, which is the variable matrix, is here equals to coefficient matrix inverse, the inverse of the coefficient matrix A inverse times B. This is a formula. A inverse means the inverse of the coefficient matrix, and the B means the matrix B is just the constant matrix. And let's find out the value of the A inverse first. And for A inverse, we have to first find out the determinant of the matrix A. If the determinant is non-zero, then we can easily find out the inverse of this matrix A. Otherwise, we cannot do. And let's find out the determinant of this matrix A. 4 times negative 2 will give, okay, let me write down the steps. 4 times negative 2 minus 7 times 3, just multiplying the diagonal elements. 3 times 7, and this is equals to negative 8 minus negative 21, negative 29. Okay, and this is non-zero, this is not equals to 0, so we can easily find out the A inverse. And for A inverse, we need the adjoint of the matrix A also. Okay, the adjoint of the matrix A is calculated. Just it is the matrix. Just changing this diagonal element 4. In place of 4, we have to put down the negative 2. Just interchanging the elements in the main diagonal. Negative 2. This negative 2 will put here, and the sign of this number will be opposite. The opposite of 3 is negative 3, and we have to write down the opposite number of this element. The negative opposite of 7 is negative 7, and in place of this negative 2 we have to put this number, first number 4. This is the adjoint matrix A. So finally, let's find out the A inverse. A inverse is just the adjoint of, we have the formula adjoint of that matrix A over determinant, and our determinant is non-zero, so we can easily find out the matrix A inverse. And let's find out here. Okay, this is just 1 over the determinant. Determinant is here negative 21, so 29 times the adjoint matrix is here negative 2, negative 3, negative 7, 4. And let's simplify this. This is just 2 over 29, 3 over 29, 7 over 29, and this is negative 4 over 29. This is A inverse. This is the value of A inverse. And let's put the result A inverse in this equation. Let's suppose this is equation star. Okay, from star, let's put the value of A inverse here. The value of the x is equals to A inverse is here calculated as a 2 over 29, and this is 3 over 29, 7 over 29, and finally negative 4 over 29. This is A inverse. A inverse times B, and the matrix B is here 11, 12. And let's multiply these two matrices, row and column. This is just 22 over 29 plus 36 over 29, just multiplying these two matrices. And this is 77 over 29 minus 48 over 29. And let's find out the result here. This is just 6 plus 2, 8, 58 over 29, and this is 77 minus 48. (29 over 29). And finally, the result is 29 times 2 will give 58. So this is 2 and this is 1. 2, 1. This is the value of x. And the value of the x is here matrix this. So the result 1 over x, 1 over y, which is the matrix x. This is equals to here obtained as the 2, 1. So let's compare the corresponding elements. Here the two matrices are equal, so we can easily compare the corresponding elements. So 1 over x is equals to the value 2. This implies the value of the x is just 1 over 2. And the value of 1 over y is 1. 1 over y is here 1. Therefore, the value of the y is just 1. Finally, we obtain the value of x and y. We can write in the order pair format x comma y. The value of the x is here 1 over 2 and the value of the y is here just 1. So the final answer, solution for x and y is the value of the x is 1 over 2 and the y is 1. This is the way of solving this type of linear equation problem by using the concept of matrix method, matrix inversion method. This is the complete solution for this particular question. This is very easy. We can apply the matrix inversion method to solve any linear equations. And this much for today. We will meet in another video. So please keep in touch, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button below this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for all upcoming videos like this. Thank you everyone.